Welcome to Review Lab. The best trolling motors is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious angler looking to navigate quietly, position their boat precisely, and enjoy a more serene fishing experience without the noise and fumes of a traditional outboard engine, offering unparalleled control and efficiency on the water for everything from bass fishing to leisurely lake cruises. Number 5. INTEX 68624EP Motor Mount Kit. This motor mount kit is designed for easy attachment to your inflatable boat. It features a heavy-duty composite mount with marine plywood and aluminum support arms, capable of handling motors up to 3.0 HP. Setting it up is incredibly fast, attaching in just minutes. It's compatible with specific INTEX inflatable boats that have rear mount fittings. Constructed with a heavy-duty composite mount and strong aluminum support arms, it ensures a smooth ride. This robust design allows you to effortlessly cruise across the water with compatible motors. Enjoy a hassle-free end to your day on the water. This mount disassembles quickly for easy space-saving storage when you're ready to head home. INTEX prioritizes safety, designing and testing all its products to the highest standards. Their affordable and innovative products are built to last, offering exceptional value. A dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you. They can answer any questions about its use, installation, or service needs. What we like. This mount kit offers unparalleled ease of attachment and quick disassembly, making setup and pack up a breeze. Its heavy-duty composite construction ensures durability for motors up to 3.0 HP. If you own a compatible INTEX inflatable boat and value convenience, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Number 4. Newport NV Series Trolling Motor. This 12V electric trolling motor delivers exceptional power and efficiency for any boater. It's built to run all day long without overheating, ensuring a quiet experience that won't spook fish. It boasts a 30-inch shaft, a 5 LED battery meter, and a 6-inch telescoping tiller handle for comfortable control. Its 3-blade propeller ensures smooth operation, and you can easily adjust its mount angle, height, and direction. With 8 speeds, including 5 forward and 3 reverse, it offers precise control for your trolling needs. While its top speed is around 4 miles per hour, its 3-blade propeller provides excellent low-end torque to get your boat moving effectively. It requires one 12V deep cycle battery, either lead-acid or lithium, with 50 Ah recommended. For your safety and its longevity, it includes a 50-amp circuit breaker to protect against battery voltage surges. This motor is engineered for reliability and performance on the water. It provides the thrust and features you need for a successful and enjoyable fishing trip, making it an essential addition to your boat. What we like. Delivering 55 pounds of thrust, this motor provides efficient power for extended trips on the water. Its robust build is specifically designed for saltwater environments, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. If you're looking for a durable, efficient motor with clear battery status for saltwater fishing, this one is perfect. What people say. Number 3. INTEX 68631E Transom Trolling Motor. This motor is designed for effortless attachment to your boat. It's perfect for both freshwater and saltwater adventures, offering quiet operation wherever you go. It features a smart weed escape function, rapidly switching propellers to free you from tangled weeds. Plus, its auto power modulation helps extend battery life, keeping you on the water longer. The intuitive control panel provides peace of mind. It includes a battery meter, indicators for dry operation and overload, and a dedicated button for the weed escape function. Experience ultimate convenience with its adjustable control handle. It extends up to 6 inches and tilts into 8 different positions, ensuring comfortable operation for everyone. This motor offers precise control with 8 speed options. You can easily select from 5 forward and 3 reverse speeds by simply adjusting the handle. It's highly compatible with various INTEX boats, including Challenger 3, Seahawk 2, 3, 4, Excursion 4, 5, and Mariner 3, 4 models. This ensures a perfect fit for your existing setup. What we like. Equipped with a smart weed escape mode, this motor helps you navigate through dense vegetation effortlessly. The built-in battery meter and overload indicators provide crucial information for a worry-free day. If you frequently encounter weeds or need smart battery management for your INTEX boat, this motor is an excellent fit. What people say. Number 2. Minn Kota Riptide PowerDrive Saltwater Trolling Motor. This is the Minn Kota Riptide PowerDrive, a saltwater electric steer bow mount trolling motor. It comes with 70 pounds of thrust and a 54-inch shaft, perfect for your fishing adventures. With its original wireless remote, you get effortless control. You can command its speed and steering with just the push of a button. It features advanced corrosion protection, specifically designed for saltwater environments. Its lower unit housings are grit-blasted, aluminum-coated, and finished with powder coat paint for ultimate durability against rust and oxidization. The digital maximizer ensures up to 5 times longer run time on a single battery charge. This variable speed motor lets you precisely dial in your speed, delivering only the power needed to conserve your battery for a full day on the water. Its weedless Wedge 2 prop features swept-back flared blades. This design allows it to power through anything without battery-draining chopping or hacking, making it one of the most trusted props in fishing. What we like. Experience ultimate control with its wireless co-pilot remote, allowing you to steer and adjust speed from anywhere on your boat. The digital maximizer technology extends battery life up to 5 times, ensuring longer fishing sessions. If you're a serious angler seeking advanced control, extended runtime, and superior saltwater durability, this motor is designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Please provide reviews to extract points. As per the instructions, all points must be quoted from the original content and not fabricated. With an empty source, no points can be extracted. Number 1. Minn Kota Endura C230 Trolling Motor. Experience reliable performance on the water with this exceptional trolling motor. It's designed to enhance your fishing trips with ease and efficiency. Its robust 10-position lever lock bracket ensures a secure fit every time. Made from reinforced composite, it resists flexing, warping, and UV damage for lasting durability. Enjoy intuitive and comfortable operation with its 6-inch telescoping tiller. This feature allows for easy steering adjustments, putting you in complete command. Navigate with precision using its versatile speed settings. It offers 5 forward speeds and 3 reverse speeds, giving you optimal control in any condition. Equipped with a powerful prop, it delivers extra thrust to push through dense vegetation. This ensures you can reach your desired fishing spots without hindrance. What we like. Featuring a robust lever lock bracket, this motor offers secure and stable transom mounting. Its telescoping tiller provides comfortable and intuitive control, making operation simple and enjoyable. If you need a reliable, easy-to-operate freshwater motor with a sturdy mount and good power for vegetation, this model is a solid choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.